Has anyone told you you sound so white? I was telling Tarquin the other night. When I heard you talking on the phone, I swore I knew you from back home. And then I saw, well, obviously. And stone the crows, you could have fooled me. Well, you sound so crisp. You sound so white. You sound uncommonly erudite. You clip, you plumb, you enunciate. You make it sound like the accent's innate. So what's the score? Where'd you learn? You can't have talked like that full term. You're the English villain, clever and callous. You're just like the Queen in Buckingham Palace. Public school, perchance. The Eton slammer. Honestly. Just your local grammar. Well, that makes sense. Not being impolite. But I honestly thought you could have been white.